Buoyant beacons are the most cost-effective aids to navigation when used in depths of 7 to 35 meters, as indicated by U.S. Coast Guard-sponsored studies and by over 20 years of experience by Automatic Power. Automatic Power is a world leader in the design, supply, installation, and service of buoyant beacons. In 1970, a comprehensive review of the short-range aids to navigation system of the United States was made for the U.S. Coast Guard. The subsequent report outlined a systematic approach to improving servicing and maintenance activities while reducing the cost of the aids to navigation program. Selected recommendations included converting approximately 20% of the existing aids to navigation stations marked by buoys to structures, reducing servicing schedules for all types of aids by using an effective automated maintenance record and scheduling system, establishing trained mobile teams for servicing actions that do not require lifting of buoys and moorings. These should be quick response teams to work smaller buoys, provide low-cost discrepancy response, and less expensive routine servicing. All these recommendations are based on the premise that heavy lifts are the most costly factor in servicing aids to navigation. The study urged the minimizing of heavy lifts through the careful design and selection of aids to navigation systems and the planning of service forces and policy. In 1970, when this study was complete, the buoyant beacon was not yet available. Its impact on overall aids to navigation systems has yet to be reported.